Welcome to our YouTube channel, Curve Legends. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the incredible journey of one of the most influential models in the world, Jaelani Jade. She's not only a stunning swimwear model, but also a powerhouse digital influencer who's making waves in the fashion world. Born and raised in Miami, Florida, Jaelani proudly embraces her Cuban-American roots, all while redefining traditional beauty standards. With her striking green eyes, radiant blonde hair, and perfectly sculpted curves, she's captivating the world and inspiring countless individuals along the way. But wait, there's more. Whether she's strutting down the runway at Texas Swim Week 2024 or stealing the show at the iconic Black Tape Project, Jaelani has proven herself to be a true force in the modeling industry. With over 1.1 million loyal followers on Instagram, her colorful and bold content inspires fans worldwide. From fitness to fashion, Jaelani Jade embodies confidence, self-love, and empowerment. Stay with us, because today we're delving into the remarkable rise of this sensational model and exploring why she's becoming the next big name everyone's buzzing about. Jaelani Jade is an emerging star in the fashion industry, widely recognized as a top swimwear model. She has taken the spotlight on some of the most talked about platforms, including the prestigious Black Tape Project runway and the highly anticipated Texas Swim Week 2024. But Jaelani is much more than just a model. She's a powerful digital influencer with a growing online presence. Constantly engaging with her audience across social media, she shares not only her modeling work, but also a peek into her lifestyle, fitness journey, and personal brand. Jaelani continues to make waves, turning heads and setting trends, proving that she's not merely a part of the fashion world. She's helping to shape its future. But it's not just about measurements. It's about how she owns her look with total confidence. Her radiant green eyes and signature blonde hair complete her striking appearance. But what truly makes Jaelani unforgettable is her ability to carry herself with poise and authenticity, redefining what it means to be a modern muse in the modeling industry. In the digital world, Jaelani Jade is nothing short of a powerhouse. With an Instagram following that exceeds 1.1 million loyal fans, she commands a strong presence across social media platforms. Her feed is a vibrant mix of sexy and colorful imagery, filled with captivating snapshots that highlight both her professional modeling work and her dynamic personal life. From behind-the-scenes glimpses of her latest swimwear campaigns to posts documenting her fitness journey and everyday lifestyle, Jaelani knows how to keep her audience engaged and wanting more. Beyond her modeling success, Jaelani Jade serves as an unofficial ambassador for body positivity and self-acceptance. Through her bold presence and unapologetic confidence, she actively promotes messages of empowerment for women worldwide. Every pose, every outfit, and every caption is a statement encouraging her followers to embrace their bodies and feel comfortable in their own skin. Jaelani's content transcends fashion. It's a celebration of individuality and diversity. She doesn't just model swimwear, she models courage, self-love, and authenticity. Whether she's walking in high-profile fashion events or posting candid moments on social media, Jaelani embodies the spirit of a modern muse who refuses to conform to rigid beauty standards. In addition, Jaelani is passionate about sharing valuable insights with her community. She regularly offers fashion tips, self-care rituals, and motivational messages that inspire women of all shapes and backgrounds to radiate confidence and inner strength. Her advocacy is clear. Beauty comes in all forms, and confidence is the most attractive outfit anyone can wear. On social media, Jaelani Jade radiates positive energy and vibrant charisma that instantly captures attention. Her content is a dynamic fusion of fashion, lifestyle, and personal empowerment, making her stand out as more than just a model. She is a true influencer and motivator for her audience. Known for her viral-worthy presence, Jaelani has an exceptional talent for creating content that quickly gains traction and spreads across platforms. Whether it's a sultry swimwear photo shoot, a bold runway clip, or a candid moment from her everyday life, her posts often achieve viral status, fueled by her charm and authenticity. In addition to her modeling career, Jaelani is a creative spirit who occasionally explores cosplay, bringing fictional characters to life with her own stylish twist. She also has a strong passion for art and music, which adds depth and diversity to her digital persona, making her even more relatable and inspiring to her followers. Many fans and fashion enthusiasts have compared Jaelani's content style to that of Danielle Bernstein, a renowned fashion influencer. Both share a commitment to blending high-end fashion with personal expression and empowering messages, but Jaelani's bold and unapologetic approach gives her a distinctive edge in the influencer space. When Jaelani Jade is not walking the runway or posing in front of the camera, she is fully dedicated to leading a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Fitness and well-being are at the core of her daily routine, and she approaches both with discipline and passion. From regular workout sessions to maintaining a nutritious diet, Jaelani prioritizes her health as a way to fuel both her body and mind. In addition to her modeling career, Jaelani has built a solid reputation as an approachable and supportive digital influencer. Her social media presence is not just about glamorous photo shoots, but about fostering a real sense of community. She frequently interacts with her followers, valuing their feedback, answering their questions, and creating a space where empowerment and self-expression are celebrated. Thanks for watching video. See you soon in the next video.